Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. And nakakakuha kayo ng mga additional na messages or information para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Pisces. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga paparating na mensahe or gabay for Pisces? Energies and messages for Pisces. Pisces. Energies and messages for Pisces. Okay. You will be overcoming pains, sorrows, and challenges in your life. Okay? Or maybe in your personal situation, sa trabaho man to. Okay? Or simply sa inyong pag-iisip. Okay? You will be getting mental clarity. You know what is right. You know what you want. And you know kung ano yung direksyon ninyo. Okay? You'll be focusing on your target, on your goals. And you are clearing away all things that no longer serves you. Clean slate. For Pisces. Yeah. Pagpapahinga ng isip. Yeah, for some of you, kailangan ninyo ng bakasyon, okay, physically man and mentally, okay. Yeah, take time to meditate, Pisces, and through that, you will be getting solution, or kasagutan sa inyong sitwasyon, okay. You will be needing peace, okay, and harmony in your situation, Pisces. Yeah, overthinking, There is unhappiness and anxiety for some of you. Merong self-fulfilling prophecies like iniisip nyo na wala nang magandang nangyayari sa life ninyo or sa situation. Okay. You are overthinking something. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo kulang sa tulog or hindi na kayo nakakatulog. So stay away from that. Clear your thinking, clear your mind. Independence, okay? Yeah. Kung meron kayong mga negosyo, okay, you are an entrepreneur. Lumalago ang inyong business, okay? Self-sufficiency, okay? You are financially secured. You will be financially secured and stable, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will have emotional stability. Yeah. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will be receiving fairness or ikaw to, you will be giving attention to someone na nag-aantay ng inyong atensyon or ng oras. There will be justice in your situation. Okay? You will be fair sa pag-deal ng inyong life situation, most especially money. Yung iba sa inyo, may bagong trabaho. Okay? There will be a career opportunity for you. Okay? An opportunity to earn more. An opportunity to receive attention and time. Gift. Yeah. For some of you that you are applying for a loan, okay, you will be approved. Okay? A favor will be given to you. Yeah, for some of you, you have to take care of yourself, your serenity. Okay? Or further develop yourself, nurture yourself, develop new skills, learn new skills. Okay? Or pagpapaganda, thinking about your health, okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be receiving inner harmony, Okay? You will be emotionally mature. May maturity na mangyayari sa inyo. Yeah. Okay? You will be intuitive but also wise. Most especially in your relationship. Okay? Ace of Cups. There is the energy of strength, of authority within you. Okay? New love. Okay? You will be receiving gift and attention for some of you. Or you will be receiving. Okay? Just take what resonates for you. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, there is emotional or spiritual awakening. Realization sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? You will be doing what is right for you or sa kapakanan mo. Okay? Or kapakanan ng mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo. Okay? There will be awakening and realization. You will be speaking the truth. There will be clear thinking. Yeah. King of Cups. Okay? You will be, magkakaroon ka ng security emotionally. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be gaining wisdom and understanding about your situation in work. Okay? Concerning your emotional aspect. Okay? Understanding of people. There is calmness, pagkalma ng isang sitwasyon or ng inyong emosyon. You will be secured. Okay? Because you are awakening. Merong realization sa part nyo. Okay. King of Swords. Ace of Swords. New beginning. Okay, there will be a new way of life para sa inyo. Magkakaroon ka ng mental clarity and solution sa inyong situation. Okay, makukonsider ito na breakthrough or victory on your part. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, there is spiritual growth. There is also success and victory. Okay? Tingnan natin. Queen of Swords. Yeah. For some of you, you will be strong-willed. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng kalakasan sa sarili, okay? Kung ano yung gusto mo, you will get it, you will pursue it, okay? You will be frank because you know what you want, okay? You will have the energy of overcoming difficulties and pain. Four of Swords, yes, clarity in your situation. Okay. Relax. Yeah, for some of you, you will be recovering from pain or you will be recovering from a situation na magulo or toxic. Four of Swords. Yeah, Six of Cups. Relationship. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you will be cutting cord with someone. Six of Cups. Okay. You will be directing your attention towards children, your family, okay? There is forgiving and healing in your situation. Maybe you will be forgiving someone, may healing sa inyong sitwasyon, most especially in your relationship, okay, or personal relationship. Four of Swords, Queen of Wands, yeah, magiging kampante ka and magiging confident ka sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah, kung meron kayong mga business, okay, you will be moving forward to it. You will be successful. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are thinking about creative ways how to become effective sa work or sa negosyo or sa inyong relasyon. Ten of Pentacles. Yeah. You will be directing your focus and attention towards your family, about sa victory and kaperahan, or about your legacy, about family. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, namamayagpag ang inyong business. Okay? It is doing well. Yeah, nakaka-gain kayo ng income. Magandang contribution sa finances ng pamilya. Nine of Swords. Bakit may Nine of Swords for Pisces? The Empress. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are worried. Okay? Or non-stop ang pag-iisip ninyo how to become creative and innovative in your business or situation. Or sa career mo to, sa project mo man to, personal project, passion project. Yeah, parang hindi na kayo nakakapagpahinga, hindi na pakapagpahinga ang inyong isip. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, nag-iisip paano umunlad. Okay, sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong negosyo. Sa inyong trabaho, Ten of Cups. Ooh. Yeah. For some of you, you are worried that maybe you are pregnant. Okay? May concern ka about pregnancy. Yeah. Tingnan natin. Queen of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah. There will be an abundance of emotion within you. Okay? You are understanding. There is harmony. Okay? Mayroong peace, tranquility. Yeah, for some of you, you will be doing a creative project. Okay? And it will be doing good. You will earn from this project. Okay. Yeah, you're also wise. Kung ano yung mga next step na gagawin mo to level up or to develop further. To develop further your creativity, your business, if you are an entrepreneur or a creative project. Okay? Seven of Wands. Yes, you are very protective of what you have. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you will remain independent. Okay? You will be focusing on yourself. You want independence. Yeah, you will be protecting yourself. Okay, or protecting what you have. Tingnan natin, Six of Pentacles. Seven of Swords. So, be aware of deception, okay? Or betrayal. Yeah. So, be wise in dealing with other people. Okay? Lalo na yung mga nagpapakita sa inyo ng mabuti, but then may mga ulterior motives. Okay? Or siguro mga plastic or insincere na mga tao. So be aware of that. Okay? Yeah, there is deception at play, okay? And selfishness or theft. So, ingatan ninyo ang inyong mga valuables, ang inyong pera. Yeah. King of Swords. Yeah, for some of you, meron kang solusyon na gagawin in your finances, sa money problems, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are ready to speak the truth about these people, okay? Yung hindi magandang intensyon, okay? You will be speaking with authority. You will be authoritative, okay? You will be honest with them, okay? For some of you, there will be a confrontation. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, iniisip nyo yung mga tao na to, you have a critical mind about these people towards you. Yung mga napapalibutan ka ng mga tao na hindi fair or hindi totoo sa inyo. Okay? Tingnan natin. Queen of Cups. The Lovers. What is the Lovers? Two of Pentacles. Now you are emotionally mature in your situation. There is awakening, okay? You will be making a decision and you will be protective of yourself. You will be choosing yourself. Pisces, okay? There is inner harmony within you because you are being smart. You will be making a wise decision, most especially in an intimate relationship or partnership, okay? Emotional relationship. Ace of Cups. Eight of Swords. And the Eight of Wands. You know there will be emotional immaturity. Okay? Merong stability sa emosyon mo. You know now kung ano yung gusto mo or anong gusto mo mangyari or kung ano yung direction mo in life. Okay? Most especially in your emotional aspect or relationship. Okay? There will be strength in you. You will be working on your emotional stability. Yeah, magkakaroon ka ng confidence. And you will be ready to receive blessings. Okay? Yeah, you will be taking actions para sa iyong katatagan, para sa pagkakaroon ng peace of mind, okay? King of Cups. Five of Wands. Yeah, you will be overcoming challenges and competition. Nonsense competition for some of you. Yeah, it's like you will be gaining clarity. Kung merong mga tao na merong ulterior motives and then merong competition, okay? meron kang understanding sa mga tao na yun. You will have the knowledge, the wisdom on how to handle it. Yeah. You are secured emotionally, Pisces. 9 of Cups, and there will be happiness within you. Okay. Huh? Yeah, you will be emotionally content. There will be joy, okay? And calmness, pagkalma. Ace of Swords. Tingnan natin. Yeah, the Hermit. You want to have a new way of life. You want to have a new beginning in your situation. Okay. There is spiritual growth, or you are recognizing kung ano yung strength and weaknesses mo. Okay. And alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo next step. No? Ano yung gagawin mo to move forward. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng clarity in your situation. That's why there will be a new beginning for you, Pisces. Wheel of Fortune. Okay? Merong paggalaw, merong movement. Okay? Yung swerte mo, gagalaw. Okay? Yeah, there will be a positive change, a turn of events in your life. Okay? Because of this clarity and spiritual growth, realization of your current situation. Yeah. Okay? Merong Wheel of Fortune, merong paggalaw, merong movement, positive change. Okay? Fortune is on your side, Pisces. Yeah. Tingnan natin. Additional message for Pisces. Mind power. Use your intelligence, analyze data logic, and think rationally. Lead with your mind. Okay. Home base. Home is the harbor of the soul. It is the safest place you can be. Change your environment. Okay. Declutter. Okay. Perfect fit. Finding the right path, the fit with the soul, the ideal job. You are meant to be here. Okay. Additional message for Pisces. Windfall of abundance. An increase in abundance is arriving in many different forms, some of them unexpected. Be open to receiving and know that this abundance comes to you to support your life purpose, health, and charitable work. Okay? So these are the messages for you, Pisces. Maraming salamat sa inyo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!